Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just filmed kind of a fun, laid back, get ready with me video doing this look today. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute. I thought it would be fun to just do a get ready with me, do my makeup, chat with you guys about what's been going on in my world, and just kind of catch up a little bit. So if you guys are interested to see the video, then don't forget to click the like button and show me some support. It really helps my channel. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Become a part of the fam. I would so appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the video and create some magic. All right, so I already did the brows off camera just to save the time, and I used the Benefit Brow, which is like my favorite. Also, one that I've been loving lately too is the Precisely My Brow by Benefit. This is a pencil that works so good. If you guys need a good brow pencil, that's a phenomenal product. I'm gonna just prime the face today with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is like my go-to primer lately because it just leaves my pores looking small. Just really helps with all of this big pore situation. So I just wanted to kind of chat with you guys, see how life has been, what everybody's up to. I have been dealing with a sick toddler for what feels like an eternity. Literally been 2 weeks, you guys, since my son got sick, and it was just the oddest thing because he's a healthy kid, honestly. I can't really complain about that, and we're pretty healthy in the family, but I feel like this year, the sicknesses going around are just, they're real. I'm using this Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. These are the Fantasy, and they're kind of like a rose gold color, and I'm just gonna mix it with my MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light, and I've never done this, so I'm just gonna kind of prime the face with this to give it like a little glow. Ugh, it's been looking dull these days. Anyways, so yeah, my kiddo has been pretty ill, and it was just this like weird sickness where he was like off and on vomiting. He would go like 2 days without vomiting, still have a little bit of, stomach issues, but it seemed like he was good. And then next thing you know, 2 days later, he's vomiting again. We just didn't know if it was the flu or if he was allergic to something he was eating, or it was just so confusing. And yesterday was the first day that he stopped puking and seemed in better spirits. So fingers crossed that he's just out of the danger zone, because I kid you not, it has taken up my life. I can't go anywhere, and I've been like so stir crazy. Mama wants to drink. I'm gonna use the Dewy Smooth Maybelline foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation with a beauty blender. Found this in my drawer the other day, and I was like, if I ever use this, it looks like it's my color too, so I'm a little pale, so I need a color that's gonna match. So we have been dealing with just a brutal winter in Idaho. It is cold, it's snowy. The snow isn't melting because it's so cold, and it's like we get a day, like a break from the madness, and then next thing you know, it starts to snow again. So it's been a little bit depressing, I would say. I'm trying to be positive, been taking a lot of vitamin D and trying to just eat really healthy and make sure all my nutrients are good to go, and I'm working out, which has been good. I'm ready for some summer, I'm ready for some sunshine, and just to be outside with the family and just enjoying the outdoors. Speaking of working out, I have been really trying to kind of like set some new goals for myself, because I feel like I've just kind of gotten to a place where I need to like mix things up, I need to shock the system. That's what Ed Milet says. If you guys don't know him, he is like a really good motivational entrepreneur. He has podcasts and a YouTube channel. You guys should check him out. I watched one of his YouTube videos the other day. By the way, I just used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Medium Sand just for a little bit of brightness because I'm tired. I was watching one of his shows the other day and he was talking about how we get stuck kind of in that same usual routine, and in order to advance, you know, in our life or propel ourselves forward or hit goals, just try to push yourself to start really trying to achieve what you're wanting to. I was talking about how sometimes you need to shock your system. You need to do just a totally dramatic plan of action or something that kind of like propels you in that direction. And that really resonated with me because I was like, I need to do that not only in my life, because I feel like we get comfortable, you know, we need like a little bit of a challenge in our lives. It resonated with me too with fitness because I'm like, you know, I do get in kind of a rut and I stick to things that like I'm comfortable with or that I'm used to. And I'm like, I need to start doing, you know, something a little different. I decided to just kind of set some new goals for myself, do some different, you know, fitness type goals. So I think I'm going to try to mix up my workouts more. I'm kind of curious. I really want to get into boxing. That's very intriguing to me and I think I would love it. So I'm going to try to do that. If you guys have tried that, let me know in the comments because I'd be so curious like what your thoughts are. But I hear it's like a really good workout. I'm going to use this Nude Huda Beauty palette today. Just got really gorgeous feminine colors and I'm kind of in that mood today. I use my Morphe brush. It's an M433 and I'm just going to start dipping into random shades here. I mean, today I'm going to go with a pretty neutral look, go figure. I'm just gonna pop this color in the crease. It's called Teddy. So I don't know if you guys follow me on social media or Instagram, but I recently posted that I applied to be on the Sephora Beauty Influencer Squad of 2019. So exciting. It's just funny how life works because I've been really trying to just get perspective of like ultimately what I want to do. You know, like where do I want to take my life? What are my goals? Do I want to just be a stay-at-home mom? Do I want to have more kids? And I'm very fortunate that I'm able to stay at home and, you know, I do a lot of other things to help out my husband. He has a business and whatnot, but ultimately I kind of run the ship, I guess, at home. So as much as I love to be like the caretaker, you know, I'm still like, I have ambitions and dreams. And I think because I started out as a mom so young, it's kind of put me in that mindset that that was it. Like I was going to be working to provide for her and, you know, no longer were my like dreams or things I wanted to do important. It was kind of just all about her. I'm kind of reaching a point in my life where I'm trying to get perspective. Like, what do I want to do? What are my long-term goals? Like, and try to get an idea of like where I'm headed. I've been writing down my goals and just trying to be more active on my social media and my Make Me Beauty, just really try to throw myself into it because ultimately this is like what I love, you guys. I love makeup, I love beauty, I love fashion, fitness, like just being creative. So I'm trying to just really focus on the things that I'm passionate about. So in doing that, it's just funny how, long story short, it just opens doors for you, you know, like the universe really does pay attention when we start to put that good energy out there. I see this ad on, I think it was Facebook, for Sephora, and it was to be a beauty influencer for the year of 2019, and it was mainly focusing on people that pursue like makeup or a YouTube channel or are in, you know, beauty, but are not well known at all. Like don't have a lot of followers, but really want to grow their following and, you know, pursue this type of work. So I literally was like, this is heaven sent. This is what I'm supposed to do. And don't get me wrong, like it's scary. It is so scary to like put yourself out there, especially I think in the society that we're in now. Like competition is real out there. The generations are getting more and more driven and more, you know, I don't know. I just think the generations are like really starting to go after their dreams or like try new things. So the competition's out there and it's very humbling. I'm a small town girl in Idaho. I'm a mom. I'm a wife. Like, I'm not out there 20 years old traveling the world looking like a hot piece of ass. But I think it's a good opportunity and it's something that I would literally, you guys, I would die. If you do not follow me on social media, I will link my Instagram somewhere on the screen. Please go check out my page, follow me. I would so appreciate it. And also there's information on there for testimonials. So more testimonials from followers or viewers or friends, family, the more the better. If you guys want to help a sister out, just a mom from Idaho, even if it didn't work out, at least I tried. Just from hearing like some of the things people have said in their testimonials about me and how many people have actually taken the time to like leave a testimonial, that honestly means more to me than anything. To have support from people and people cheering me on, like that means so much more to me. So I love you guys so much. Thank you. I know there's just a small community of us, but it really does mean the world. When I wanted to film today, I was like, yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait to film. I just enjoy like sitting down and playing with makeup. But usually like I'm like, okay, what kind of look could I do? Could I do glitter? Should I do just a really dramatic eye? Da, 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 da. And then I realized my daughter's gym competition is tonight. You know how moms are. You can't be showing up to a competition looking like lady of the night. I am excited though for her competition tonight because I love watching her like get out there and just perform, because that's hard. Like to stand in front of a bunch of people and perform gymnastics routines, like that would be terrifying. Before I get into the face, I want to show you guys this palette. My girlfriend Nicole got me this for my birthday. Isn't it cute? Thanks, Joe. Look at this. Look at all these fun colors. So it has a bronzer, highlighter, I believe this is a contour, and then it has a bunch of blushes and highlights. I'm just like super excited to tap into this. I want to try out the bronzer, so I'm going to go into this shade here with a Morphe M530. It's kind of a smaller brush. Pretty. So I have also been doing like a lot of just research on foods and like how to incorporate natural foods for good gut health. I think people are starting to pay more attention to their health and like their gut health and how they feel day to day. So I have been just really interested in that and just, you know, what grains or fruits or things to incorporate in my diet that's gonna help with inflammation and like all these things, right? I've just been like obsessed. I've been like watching so many YouTube videos, and my husband probably thinks I'm nuts, but I'm like, anytime he mentions like, oh gosh, you know, my tummy is just, it's jacked today. I'm like, you know why? It's because you need to incorporate a little bit of goji berry in your diet. I don't know, I just made that up, but it's just part of my new kind of fitness goals. Do I want to do a nose contour? Yeah. I'm using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit for my nose contour. This is just the perfect color. I'm sure like all of you have heard of, you know, bone broth and elderberry and all these things that are like celery juice. That's like the new thing. A lot of YouTubers that I follow do the celery juice, and it's supposedly supposed to help with skin. All right, so for blush today, I wanted to do just a really pretty feminine color. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush called Shy. I think it'd be really pretty. We'll see. Ooh, she's bright. Ooh. Well, I kind of committed, so I'm gonna have to stick with it. I'm just gonna go into this like white shade and mix it with this like gold sparkle. And hopefully it works. cute. I think it needs a little bit more. I'm gonna take my highlighter that I'm using today. This is the highlighting powder by Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Glow Precious Petals. It's a really pretty, just rose gold kind of highlight. Maybe this will, I'm gonna pop it right, just right on the eyebrow. And I'm gonna dust some of that highlighter on the high points. Ooh, that highlighter, look at that. That's so pretty. By the way, what do you guys think of my hair tie? Who thought scrunchies would come back? Like what? It's like I'm reliving 80s childhood dreams. The sad part is it's my daughter's. I forgot to add some eyebrow gel, so I'm gonna use my Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Gel. I've been loving using this lately just to keep the hairs all looking nice and tamed. I'm gonna curl the lashes, give them a little lift. Okay, so I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. If you guys know, if you're an OG viewer, then you know this is my fave. You know when you read in magazines and they're like, if you could take 2 items on an island, makeup items, what would they be? I just need mascara, you guys. I feel like if I don't, I look dead. I think I'm gonna skip the lashes today just because I'm gonna go to my daughter's competition and I don't wanna look too, you know, crazy. So I think for this look, because it's so pretty and feminine, I need to stick to either like a peach or a nude. So I'm gonna use this lipstick. It's called Angel by MAC and it's just a really pretty pink. And it just feels good. It looks super pink on camera, but. And then I think over the top, I'm going to add this lip gloss by Fenty Beauty called Fussy. It is just the prettiest pink. And it makes the lips just look so juicy. Oh yeah. There we have it. We are all done. I so enjoyed chatting with you guys today. I hope it wasn't like too all over the place. I kind of feel all over the place lately, but either way, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed it and subscribe. If you guys are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, then you should, because it's important to help me grow my channel and I would just love for you guys to be part of the fam. And for those of you that, you know, always tune in, I so appreciate it, you guys. I love getting messages from you on Instagram all the time and just hearing from you guys. And also, if you guys have requests for videos, always let me know. I obviously would love ideas. And don't forget to check out my blog too, if you guys are new. I will put it somewhere on the screen. So wish me luck today. I have some mother duties tonight, so I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.